Since 2014, Zhejiang Andong Electronics Technology Company Limited has successfully established a quality brand, Andong, from the minds of our clients and customers worldwide. With 5 years' experience in manufacturing and exporting small appliances such as electric hot plate, electric grill, electric pizza pan, electric skillets, gas heater, electric oven, charcoal burner. Our long-term cooperative customers are in many countries. We understand your market as well as understanding our product advantage. Our factory area is more than 8,200 square meters, and we have more than 100 frontline workers and more than 10 administrative managers. We are a young, active, and passionate team. Detail matters. It is our policy to ensure we understand your product or range requirements 100% before recommending the suitable models for you. Our sample procedure ensures you can be comfortable when your delivery arrives. We have obtained certificates: Factory Passed Audit, BSCI, ISO 9001 Product Certification, GSCE, CB, ROHS, ERP, LFGB. Over the past few years, Andong has invested significantly in technology, key management, enthusiastic staff, and our very own dedicated design team. Due to the management direction of take the best of the East with the best of the West, Andong has experienced unprecedented growth and expansion. If you don't see what you're looking for, Andong can help make it for you.